Hello everyone, I'm Kathleen. Today I will introduce our topsail boat, Easy Craft. This boat long 6 meters, and the feature with this boat is have pontoons in the two sides. This pontoon can make the boat more stable and reduce the noise with this boat. Later I will show you the detailed information of this boat. Okay, let's have a look. As you can see, this boat with a very beautiful color. You can see and then you can see the wedding. It's our wedders all have the CCI certification. They all have this certification can make the wedding work. That's always wedding very beautiful. And this bottom or this aluminum is thickness about 6 millimeters, and the top side this top side thickness 4 millimeters. And this boat looks very simple and can have four facing together. It's very beautiful color, as you can see. Let's have a look. As you can see, this is the captain seat and another seat. This is the red duck. We usually install the electronic equipment for our customer if you need. If you don't need, that's our standard of this boat. We will install the hydraulic steering system for our customer if they need to install the engine and the control panel, the wiper control, light control, and the button control, and other pump control, and some outlet that you need to charge your phone. You can see the cover hood, the seat. You can take the fuel tank very easily from there. You can see this by you closed by the screw. And that's the face tank. This water flowing from here and flow out from there. It's all connected with the pump. It's all living water and keep the face more fresh. This photo very easily, and the price is more beautiful. If you want more information, please call my WhatsApp and email me. And in the later I will show my WhatsApp and email in the video. For my channel, thank you. Bye bye.